I'm a new superhero I'm Batman 내가 가진 건 이 노래 한방 All the Batman countdown I'm a new generation I'm Batman I'm a new superhero I'm Batman 내가 가진 건 이 노래 한방 Let me say all the Batman countdown 어머니 모든 게 두렵
What's up, Toaster Gang? I am doing a totally normal video today, totally not lying to you. Anyways, shut the fuck up, Beach, and watch the fucking video, hee 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 hee.
By Jaden Dale Plays, and today we are going to be playing Ride 999,000 something to beat this game or something, and then it says finish fourth prize. Oh shit. Let's see what this one looks like. Whoa! I still like the Roblox. I'm a noob at this game, but I'm gonna start getting Robux. Subscribe if you want me to get Robux. And a loop. This game's actually kind of cool. I think you should play it. Also, if you want to friend me, my Roblox account is called Riri Michi, which is right over here where the mouse is, like as you can see right here. So yeah, just having a fun time with my stupid loose tooth. It hurts. Throw now. So we're at level 3, and we are going to be. Oh no, I hate this one. Swim to the other side. So. Okay, so we're gonna use this thing.
That's Robux?
Oh, come on. Now I have to swim all the way to the other side, actually. Okay. I'm swimming backwards. Okay. So you can't hear me correctly right now because, my tooth hurts, and yeah, so like and subscribe, and also just to tell you my videos got deleted, but that's okay because I will be uploading more, and yeah, that's all I had to tell you. So we're back, and we're on another one of these things, but I think this one is a slide, though. But, yep. So, I have a very loose tooth, which really hurts, and I hate it. So if you want to be friends, we can be friends on Roblox. I told you my Roblox account, which is called Riri Michi, which is right over here, like I told you before, the one that's glowing where where it says players and stage. Yo, yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. And I hope you have a good time watching this. So yeah, thanks for watching. So leave a like and subscribe. So yeah. Bye. 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 Oh, sure, I can't.
And that's pretty much where the video ends. But y'all heard 8 or 9-year-old Toast, make sure to like and subscribe. Anyways, bye y'all.